Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and we are going to make the Firestreak today. So let's go ahead and open our package. It's trash. All right, let's not lose any of the parts we have. So we have our Firestreak directions. We have some cool stickers. This little packet of things. The body tube. This thing. Shock cord. Fins and nose cone. So let's go ahead and open up our directions. And it has a picture on the front of all the different parts that we should have inside of our rocket. Let's go ahead and open this up and start at the first. So the first thing it says to do is assemble the nose cone. Let's see, let's find it first. That's in this little guy. So we'll need to cut this open. Please don't cut anything important, like your fingers or the rocket. Okay, so it says assemble the nose cone. And again, this is an E2X rocket, which means it's easy to assemble. So I'm not sure if we're gonna have any tape or glue with this one. This takes a little doing, y'all. Okay, so we get it, so it's like that, and it should snap in theory. Okay, there's no snap, but that's on there. That's all together. So I'm gonna put that aside. And then it says attach the shock cord to the body there. It says double knot it and go through, oh. Just tie the double knot. So you'll see on this little body tube, you've got a hole there and a hole there and a hole there. We're gonna use this one up here, the one that goes horizontal and not vertical. And it says to take this guy, and make a double knot. I am willing to help if you need it. Let's keep going. Here. And get another. Why? What? Okay, there we go. So I made my double knot, and then I'm supposed to stick this through here. Oh, this is harder than it looks. Okay. What does it say? Pass through that until the double knot is there. Oh, and that's lovely. Okay, so what in tarnation? Oh, I got it there. Okay, it just takes a little doing. That's it. It fits. You may be like, no, it doesn't. It does. It totally does. And then I'm going to kind of pull this. See? Pull this. And then you have your double knot and this little wonky thing hanging out. So there we go. So we did this. And then it says install engine tube. So it says align hole F with PG. Okay, this must be the engine tube. There's a little like notchy notch there. And I think it goes in the little holy hole there. So let's see. It's gonna go, okay, this is kind of hard to see. Is it like you just push it? I want you guys to see the struggle that goes along with this so you don't think it's super easy to build. Or let's try this one. Maybe this one's easier. Okay. Mrs. Ross, you're doing it? No, I'm not. Okay. Okay. So this is supposed to go. This is kind of hard to. Wait a minute. And then this one goes on this side. I don't. Let's stick that part. Let's see. Let's see if this will go. We shall not know. Oh. Just gonna Okay, so kind of brute force there. That's closed-esque. Yours is probably going to be much better. But now we have this. Okay, and this is sticking out in the little body tubes in there. The next thing we're supposed to do is attach the fins. So I did this one. That one took a little bit of time. And then we're going to attach the fins. So the fins are in this little, individual packages. So let me cut these open. Be sure not to cut yourself or the fin. All right, so there's a place, okay, how do we do this? Okay, so it says, place on a flat surface and position both of the fins and you align E and you slide forward. Okay. I guess it goes this way and here we go. You see these two and you put this right here. There we are, and maybe not, maybe I'm not. Maybe not so much. What about this one? No, okay, this one, this side. How do we, ow! Sorry, I'm gonna sit down. Okay, let's see here. So it's supposed to be on a flat surface. And the little tabby tabs go, how'd they get the tabby tabs in? Position a flat surface, both so make sure you're not covering peg holes. What the heck's the peg holes? I don't see the peg holes. I think. Yeah. Okay. So, oh wait, there's more fins. Hold on. Mrs. Ross, what's in that other package? Okay. So, take care of that business. Why so many? Well, how do I know which ones go in which ones? So these, do these just slide? No, or do these go in the, So the purple ones go in the ones with the little dooferdle. So you put the little tabby things in and you slide up and they're good. These doodles, how do you get them in there? How do you? Oh, I know what I did wrong. You're only supposed to do one side of this. Fart. You're supposed to do one side. Okay, so I think in class we should watch through this video first so that you see the mistakes and don't make them. Because now I gotta get these two, oh, these guys get off, let go, thank you. Okay, sir, thank you. All right, and I see it's not, that should go in there like that. Okay. So then this is supposed to go like this, like here. What? Oh, that's why we lay it down on a flat surface. You know, I'm getting it. I'm slow, but I'm getting it. Hello. So let's see, and then we put that fin there. And then we're gonna close it. Oh, my fin came off. Mr. Calloway just came through and saw me messing with the fins. Okay. Why is this hard? This is supposed to be an easy there goes another fin. There's gotta be a way to do this that does not involve losing your mind. First of all, I can't get that to match with that. I don't know what I'm doing wrong there. Oh, there we go. That's it. Okay. So, what if I, that needs to go down. I hope you can see all of this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna I'm gonna get this lined up like this. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this in there. And then on this side, I'm gonna put this in here. Oh yeah, and then I'm gonna snap it together and it's all gonna work beautifully. Oh, wait, I did it. I hope you can see that. See that? Yeah, woo. Okay, because these guys will just slide. There we go. Oh my gosh. For easy to assemble, that was harder to figure out. For the love of all things. Okay, where are we at? We did the fins successfully. Good gravy. So we did all of this. We did this page. So on this page, it says attach the shock cord and streamer. I think to the nose cone, because it has a nose cone here, and then you're supposed to tie the streamer. So, okay. So this is the end of the shock cord. So this should go with this, like this. Like so. Doot. We'll double knot that. Doot. And then I need to do the streamer. Now on here it says that it should be about 1 inch from the nose cone. So I'm just gonna tie this. Best of luck to me. Here we go. Like here. There. Here. I'm just gonna tie it really loose and then I'll snug it up to the 1 inch mark. Like that. I'm just kind of hooty-doo. Hoo. Roar. Okay, and then I'm going to tie it again. A double knot. Am I going to do a double knot? Because I don't know. Okay. There we go. Roar. Okay, so now I have my nose cone, and that's about 1 inch. And I have all my things and stuff. Okay. What else am I supposed to? Oh, it's time for decals. Lovely. So, if you want to put the sticker on, you can. If you don't, that's fine too. Gotta find where the thing is. And it says decal align with the launch lug in the front of the fins. So let's see. I think this is actually going to help hold our rocket together. So there's my sticker. Oh, I wonder what that's for. Why does it have that little tabby tab? Why does it do that? Okay, my sticker's a little ratchet, but that's okay. Go Firestreak. Then what? Then we're gonna do the recovery wadding and the engine and all of that. So I'm gonna do that in a separate video, but right now I have this completed and this completed, and I'll make a separate video. These will be for the engine. So that's it for the assembly of the Firestreak for now.